Chapter 1 Linear Equations in Two Variables. Definition: Linear equation in two variables. An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variables. Now let us see what is meant by degree. Suppose I will write the variable name as x. X I can write as x raised to 1. So this power 1 is the degree of x. X square. The power is 2. Hence the degree of x square is 2. X cube. The power of x is 3. So degree of x cube is 3. Now see x into y. Both are x and y are variables. This can be written as x raised to 1 into y raised to 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 2 is the degree of xy. X square y. The degree of x is, index of x is 2. Y can be written as y raised to 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is the degree of x square into y raised to 1 or x square into y. Now suppose I will multiply the variable x by constant a. Then the degree of ax is 1. Reason? We have to see only the index or power of variable to write the degree. X can be written as x raised to 1. So a into x raised to 1 is a into x, the degree of which is 1 because index of x is 1. A into x square. X square we have to consider. The index of x is 2. So degree of a into x square is 2. Similarly, a into x square into y. Now this can be written as a into x square into y raised to 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is the degree of a into x square into y. Now if I write x plus y. X is one variable, y is another variable, both variables are added. The power of x is 1, y is 1. When there is an addition or subtraction, we have to see the maximum power between the two. Power of x is 1, y also 1, maximum is also 1. So degree of x plus y is 1. So x plus y has degree 1. Now if I write x square plus y. Now index of x is 2. Index of y is 1, which is maximum 2. So degree of x square plus y is 2. Similarly, if we'll write x cube into y square plus y. What is the degree of x cube into y square plus y? Now index of x is 3, of y 2. Now if there is a multiplication to do, we have to add the indices. 3 plus 2 is 5. Index of y is 1. So who is maximum? 5 is maximum. So degree of x cube y square plus y is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So now let us see the linear equation in two variables. Its general form is given by ax plus by plus c equal to 0. For example now, 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. The equation 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a is 3, b is minus 4 and c is 12 here. Now 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 can also be written as 3x equal to 4y minus 12. When we take minus 4y on the right side, it becomes plus 4y, plus 12 becomes minus 12, and 3x we keep at the left side. So we get 3x equal to 4y minus 12. Now let us solve the exercise. Complete the following table. We are given equation and we have to say whether it is a linear equation in two variables or not. So let us see the first one. 4m plus 3n equal to 12. Here first variable is m, second is n. A and b are 4 and 3. Now power of m is 1, n also 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. Hence it is a linear equation. Hence answer is yes. Now let us see the second equation. 3x square minus 7y equal to 13. Now here we can see the index of x is 2 and the index of y can be written as y raised to 1. So index is 1. So 2 and 1 are the two indices of x and y. Maximum is 2. So degree of this equation is 2. Hence it is not a linear equation because in the linear equation degree is 1. So the answer is no. Next, root 2x minus root 5y equal to 16. Now let us see the power of x. Root 2 into x raised to 1, power is 1 or index is 1, minus root 5y, y can be written as y raised to 1, index or power is 1. So maximum over 1 and 1 is also 1. So degree of the equation is 1. So the answer is yes. Next, 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Here a is 0, b is 6, c minus 3. Now x is x raised to 1 power 1, y raised to 1 power 1. Maximum over the 2 is also 1. So degree of the equation is 1. Hence given is a linear equation. Answer is yes. Next, 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 equal to 0. Now a is 0.3, b is 0, c is minus 36. Now let us see the powers of x and y. X is x raised to 1, power is 1, y raised to 1, y means y raised to 1. Hence there also power or index is 1. Maximum over 1 and 1 is 1. So that is the degree of the equation 1. So hence given is a linear equation. Yes. The sixth one, 4 upon x plus 5 by y equal to 4. Now we can write this equation as 4 into x raised to minus 1, taking x from denominator to numerator, plus 5 into y raised to minus 1 equal to 4. Index of x is minus 1. Index of y is also minus 1. Power or index the same. So the degree of the equation is minus 1, not 1. Hence the given is not a linear equation. No, but we can convert it. We'll see how to do it. Next, 4 into xy minus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. Now here a is 4, b is minus 5, c is minus 8. Now, let us see the degree of the equation. X into y is x raised to 1 into y raised to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Y is y raised to 1. Index is 1. Maximum of the 2 is 2. So that is the degree of the equation. For the linear equation, we want degree as 1. So given is not a linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations. Example 1, which they have already solved. Let us just revise that. Solve the following simultaneous equations. 1. 5x minus 3y equals 8. 3x plus y equal to 2. Now here there are two methods. First, we make the coefficients of one of the variables, either x or y, as same, and then adding or subtracting the obtained equations, we can get the values of x and y. In the second method, we substitute value of the one of the variables in another one to get the answer for one variable. Then we substitute for that variable in second equation to get the answer. Let us see how it works. First equation. 5x minus 3y equal to 8. This is the first equation. 3x plus y equal to 2. This is the second equation. Now here we see the coefficient of y is minus 3 in the first equation and 1 plus 1 in the second equation. So multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3, we get, now here we have equation 2. When we multiply this equation by 3, we get 3 into 3x is 9x plus 3 into y is 3y equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. This new equation is called as 3. First equation we have now again written because we want to add 1 and 3. So now let us add equations 1 and 3. What do we get? Now we have written the equations one down another so that addition becomes simple. Now 5x plus 9x equals 14x. Minus 3y plus 3y is 0, that we need not write, equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14x equal to 14. Therefore x equal to 14 on the left side will go another side, right side as division. 14 by 14 equals 1. Therefore value of x equals 1. Now substituting this value of x equal to 1 in equation 2, that is here equation 2, we can see this one. So in equation 2 we get 3x plus y equal to 2, giving 3 into value of x is 1 plus y equal to 2. Therefore 3 plus y equal to 2. Therefore y equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Hence the solution is x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, which can be written in the coordinate form as xy equal to 1 minus 1. Example 2. Solve 3x plus 2y equal to 29, 5x minus y equal to 18. So we can see in the first equation, the coefficient of y is 2. Another equation, second equation, the coefficient of y is 1. So to eliminate y, we'll have to make the coefficients of y as same and then add the two equations. So now they've written, let us solve the equations by eliminating y. So multiplying equation 2 by 2, we get 5x into 2 minus y into 2 equal to 18 into 2. Therefore 5 2s are 10x minus 2y equal to 18 2s are 36. Let us add 1 and 3. Then we get First equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 29. And third equation is 10x minus 2y equal to 36. So 3x plus 10x will be 13x. Plus y minus 2y will get cancelled. And 29 plus 36 equals 65. Therefore, we get 13x equal to 65. Therefore, x equals 65 upon 13. Therefore, x equals 5. So, this fill in the blank is x equal to 5. Now, substituting x equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 29. So, substituting for x we get, therefore, 3 into 5 plus 2y equal to 29. Therefore, now 3 5s are 15 plus 2y equal to 29. Therefore, 2y equal to 29 minus 15. Left side 15 goes to the right side as subtraction. Therefore, 2y equals 29 minus 15 is 14. Therefore, we get the equation 2y equal to 14. Hence, what is the value of y? 14 by 2, that is 7. Therefore, xy equal to 5, 7 is the solution. Friends, thank you for watching the channel Best Redoubts.